Hi, I'm going to cook a simple Filipino chicken stew. The local name is written in the title. First, I will slightly fry the sliced potatoes and carrots to bring out the sweetness and to give more flavor to the stew. Make sure that the pan is hot enough so that the potatoes and carrots will not stick. I marinated the chicken meat in soy sauce, pepper, some salt, and calamansi juice. Remove the potatoes and carrots from the pan and don't scrape off the brown stuff, as it will give some flavor to the stew. Now it's time to sauté the aromatics. It's just minced onions and garlic. The more garlicky, the better. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. I make sure to brown the chicken before adding any liquid. Dried bay leaves for extra flavor. I just used affordable cuts of chicken for this recipe. adding some chopped bell peppers for extra aroma. I added a tablespoon of vinegar for longer shelf life, but it will be finished before the day ends anyway. I added some seasoning powder to enhance and intensify the chicken flavor. Now I will add the fried potatoes and carrots. They will help thicken the sauce. I will now add a little water to deglaze more flavor from the pan. A tablespoon of tomato sauce, but the recipe calls for a small pouch. We will simmer slowly to reduce the sauce. Okay, you don't have to follow this step, but I added a dollop of ketchup. Let me taste it first, before adjusting the flavor. For the last step, we will garnish with some chives, and there you have it, simple Filipino chicken stew. I will not mention the local name because I'm an AI voice and it will sound funny trying to struggle with pronunciation. Have a great day and thanks for watching.